cry wolf all the time that are being marginalized. Meanwhile, there are people who have been marginalized from birth in the Igbo land. So you must come with clean hands to be able to ask for freedom anywhere else. So our brothers and sisters are suffering, and a whole lot of people have lost confidence in life, not knowing the way forward, which is a bad thing. And a child who is just born into a place or a family that is called OSU, having learned about the limitations, we lose to strive. So we must get rid of it. I'm encouraging everyone to please support silent prejudice, the production of it. Personally, I will support, and I have supported in the past. And I will continue to support this program because the program is very novel. It has done good, bringing out the things that we don't even know about this practice. I will encourage everyone who is in support of the silent prejudice. I'm calling upon the religious community, the business community, the political community, and all those well-meaning people who have seen this practice as something that must go away from our society. Please support silent prejudice, no matter how small, no matter how little. Like in Igbo language says, if we all pull together, this senior practice will be a thing of the past. Thank you very much.
I'm talking to you, madam. See? Of course, you. Is there any other special assistant here?
Is there any problem? How can I help you?
Of course you can help me in so many ways. You can help me solve this problem. I'm passing to you right now.
What is the problem?
Madam, I need my husband.